Watertight integrity refers to the ship's ability to prevent water from entering space that should remain dry, especially during normal operations or in case of damage, like hull, beach, or flooding. It is maintained through properly sealed structures such as watertight bulkheads, sticks, doors, hatches, and valves. What is watertight integrity? It means that all openings in the ship, doors, hatches, pipes, vents are properly closed and secured so water cannot pass through. It helps the ship stay afloat and stable if in part of it is damaged. Importance of watertight integrity: prevents flooding, stops seawater from entering the ship, limits water spread in one compartment and damage. Number 2, maintains stability. Flooding can cause the ship to tilt or sink. Keeping compartments dry helps maintenance balance. Improving safety in crew and cargo. Protect people on board from danger. Keeps cargo from being damaged by water. Number 4, support buoyancy. A ship floats because of buoyancy. If too much water enter, buoyancy is reduced and the ship may sink. Number 5 is essential during emergencies. In collisions or grounding, watertight compartments prevent total flooding, gives time for crew to respond and control the situation.
How to maintain watertight integrity. 1. Always keep tight doors and hatches closed, not in use. 2. Regular inspect seals, gaskets, and locking device. 3. Ensure proper maintenance of valves and pipelines. 4. Follow safety procedures and drills on board. 5. Avoid leaving opening unsecured. Simple summary. Watertight is very important because it keeps water out of the ship. It helps prevent sinking, maintains stability, and ensure the safety of everyone on board. Without it, even a small leak can become a big danger.